as a lawyer, I would say that you can go to court and fix your case and post a bail bond. That would be an option. But if you do not think that you will get a fair deal with this administration, because you have been talking about Marcos and everything, huwag kang lumabas dyan sa Tamayong. Nandyan lang yan sa Tamayong. Malaki lang ang Tamayong. Alam mo, ganito yan. Let me educate all of you. Ang Tamayong, malaki yan, sa loob maraming bahay. Make sure na sa isang bahay nandyan siya. Because for every bahay, it should be a different search. Hindi mo pwede ma-search ang bahay na yan at maghanap ka kay Pastor Kibuloy. You would have to get another writ. Iba-iba yan. Marami ang bahay na yan. So, mag-ikot siya dyan, maghabulan kayo. By the time na matapos ka na, napagod ka na, you will become a member of the Jesus Christ. The kingdom of Jesus Christ. Alam mo, ang buhay ng tao, tayo naman simple lang Katoliko, trabaho tayo, prayer, that someday, pag namatay tayo, maawaan Diyos, punta tayo ng langit. Di ba? O gusto ninyo sa impyerno? Impyerno ang gusto ninyo? Bahala kayo. Ngayon, kahanap ninyo, hindi ninyo mahanap. It's ewan ko, Tamayong malapit dyan sa, malaki ang Tamayong. Malaking malaki.